Welcome to Day 20 of our Professional Transformation Roadmap. In this video, we'll explore how to streamline your meeting preparation using Microsoft Copilot in Teams. We've all been there. Too much data and not enough time. Searching through old notes, reading long documents, and rushing to build an agenda can make meeting prep a significant bottleneck. The solution is your AI teammate. Copilot, integrated directly into Microsoft Teams, can read your files, connect your data, and help you get fully prepared in seconds. Let's compare the manual approach versus using Copilot. You can save substantial time by using AI for summarizing past notes, drafting agendas, and performing instant data recall. Our first core skill is the context engine. Simply type a / in the Copilot chat to select your relevant files, allowing Copilot to instantly ingest and understand the content. Next, build your prompt using our 5-part formula. Define the goal, identify the audience, specify the format, set the desired tone, and establish your constraints. For your first action, use Copilot to summarize past meeting notes. By providing a clear prompt, you can quickly generate key takeaways for your executive team. Action 2 is planning the future. You can ask Copilot to draft a structured meeting agenda as a table, complete with time slots and key decisions to be made. Finally, use Copilot to anticipate challenges. By reviewing your proposals, Copilot can help identify potential client concerns and suggest effective ways to address them. Remember the golden rule: review and tweak. Copilot provides an excellent starting point, but always fact-check the output and adjust the tone to match your unique voice. Scale your success by saving your most effective prompts. Building a shared library of shortcuts allows you to turn personal wins into consistent team habits. You are now ready for your next meeting. Just open Copilot in Teams, use the / command to attach your files, and apply the 5-part prompt formula to stay efficient.